Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had an epic comic book story bursting in your imagination, but felt stuck because you can't draw? What if I told you there's a tool that acts as your personal art team, turning your ideas into visual panels with just a few words? Today we're diving deep into Comicsmaker.ai to see if it truly is the best AI comic creator tool for 2025.
We'll explore everything from crafting characters to publishing pages, and I'll give you the honest pros and cons so you can decide if it's right for your creative journey. Alright, let's get straight into the heart of Comicsmaker.ai. This platform is an all-in-one AI-powered comic studio designed to bring your comic book dreams to life, and it proudly boasts a community of over 500,000 users who have created more than 100,000 characters and 10 million scenes. The process is built around 4 core steps: creating characters, generating scenes, designing pages, and finally publishing and sharing your work. Let's break down the main features, which they call superpowers. First up is character creation, where you can design reusable heroes and villains from simple text prompts and maintain their consistency across every single panel, which is a huge challenge for AI art. Even more powerful is character training, which allows you to upload your own reference images to train custom AI models, perfect for capturing a unique character look or style you already have in mind. Next, scene generation lets you describe a setting and mood, and the AI will build rich comic panels to match your story's world. The Comicsmaker.ai platform offers 3 clear subscription tiers to fit different creator needs. The free plan is a great starting point with 100 credits per month, providing access core AI character and scene creators, the page designer, and even includes character training with no watermark on exports, all at no cost. For more regular creation, the popular hobby plan costs $10 per month and increases the credit allowance to 3,000, while also unlocking advanced layout templates and upgrading support to email. For serious comic makers and small studios, the Pro plan offers 6,500 credits per month for $20, providing the highest volume for extensive projects while including the same advanced features as the hobby tier. All plans allow you to upgrade anytime and include community access and regular updates. Thanks for watching.